So we see that recording on Audacity is pretty simple. We will record a sample again. Just press the record button. This is a test track for NCERT live program. Press the stop button and we see that we have the sample here. Now let's listen to the recording. This is a test track for NCERT live program. So we observed that in the first part there is a considerable amount of noise. Let's listen to it again. Yes, there is. So to remove noise, we will use one of the various drop-down menus which says Effects. So before we do that, we will select a portion which has the noise. We have deliberately left this portion so that we can get the noise profile. We will go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and we'll go to the step 1 which says Get Noise Profile. So when we click on it, the software will check the audio and analyze whatever noises are present. Now we will double click on the audio to select the entire audio track. Again go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and simply press OK. Let's see, we'll play it again. This is a test track. So we see, as compared to the previous version of the track, the noise is reduced considerably. Since we do not require the first portion, so we will select this portion and simply use the scissor tool to cut it. So now we have this much sound that we require. Let's play it again. This is a test track for NCERT live program. So now we would normalize the track. Normalization basically means applying a constant amount of gain to bring peaks up to a target level. So we will select the audio again and go to Effects and select Normalization. We have already selected the audio. We'll go to Effects, Normalize. Now we will try to ensure that we don't go to the 0 decibel level because that will be very loud. So we will keep it somewhere between 2 to 3 decibel. So we'll keep it at 3 decibel and press OK. So the moment we press OK, we observe that now the waves are bigger and the sound is louder. This is a test track for NCERT live program. So once the track is normalized, we can apply more effects. Let's say I feel that there's a bit less amount of bass in my voice. So to increase it, we will select the entire track, double click on it. We will go to Effects, we will select bass and treble, and we will increase the bass. It's already increased to 3 decibels. We will make it 5, apply and close. This is a test track for NCERT live program. So we see that the bass is increased. Now that there are some of the peaks in the waveform that are too high, so we will now compress the track by using the compressor tool. So what compressor tool does is basically it reduces the loud sounds. Again, I'll double click on it, go to Effects, go to Compressor, These are the default settings and I'll go by the default settings. I'll just press OK. And now we see that some of the peaks have been reduced and some of the peaks have been increased. So we have applied the compressor tool. We'll listen to the audio again. This is a test track for NCERT live program. So I think it's okay. Once we are satisfied with the track, we can stop the editing process and we can move on to saving the project.